Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, my new cookbook is in the description box below. Please check it out. It's family recipes that's been passed down through the years, and family stories are in there. I got some family photos in there. Y'all please check it out. It's probably the best cookbook I've made to date. And I'm thinking it might be a part 2 of that book coming. I'm not sure when, but there's room for it. Also, I have plenty of stun guns left. If you want one, the link is in the bottom below. Check it out. I have stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives. Please check them out if you want one. Okay, what happened since yesterday morning? Let's talk about it. The 48-hour deadline has came and gone, and still no stimulus deal. Big surprise, huh? Now Nancy is saying it wasn't a break-all, end-all deadline. What does she think a deadline is then? It was just, we need to get it done so we can move to the next step. She has a way of backpedaling her words, don't she? But yet she wants clarity from everyone else. She wants clarity in the stimulus package. She wants clarity from the White House and Mooch McConnell. I don't blame her. I want clarity too, but I also want clarity from her also. You all know I read my notes because I'm an old fart. I would forget everything I want to talk about. Especially this early in the morning. The Senate has voted on yet another standalone bill. This time it was for the PPP money. And it was dead in the water, just like everybody in the world knew it would be. Except the Mooch man. Apparently he didn't know it. He knows now. The Senate was supposed to be voting on the Mooch man's skinny bill again yesterday. But yet, right now, I still don't know the outcome of that, if it happened. But just as soon as I find out, I will let you know. But we do know that the bill that he was going to be voting on today was the $500 billion skinny bill that he already had everybody vote on before, and it was dead in the water then. So what does he think the change will be now? It's exactly the same bill. It's going to be dead in the water. Mark Meadows said yesterday that he and Steve Mnuchin are still working in hopes of reaching a deal by the weekend. But I just wonder, what is their definition of working? It don't seem like too much work is getting done. Nancy Pelosi has now changed the deadline to pass a stimulus package before the election. She wants to get it all worked out with the language of the text and adjust the dollar amounts by the end of the week. Then she wants to have President Trump sign off on it by the end of next week. This is so it could be passed by Election Day, but nothing will be implemented until after the elections. If it's done, then we should start seeing stimulus checks by the middle of November. That's if it's done. I don't put a whole lot of faith in their dates or when they're going to do anything, or even if they're going to do anything. She says she sees that both parties is serious about compromise, and she does think a deal can be passed before Election Day. She says they're serious about compromise. Really? I just don't see that. I don't think they're serious about anything but kicking that poor old can down the road a little bit further every day. Y'all, the biggest item that the lawmakers are fighting over now is state and local funding, liability protection, and they're still working out the details on the tax credit. Pelosi is now easing up on some of her demands. This is good. This may help move things along a little faster. But still, don't hold your breath on that. Y'all, the Mooch man told the Republicans not to cut a deal with the Democrats in the next few days. His reason for this is that it could hold up the Supreme Court appointing Judge Amy Barrett. It could hold up the process of that. But y'all, I think we all know what he really meant to say is, if they reach a deal on the bigger stimulus package, it would hurt him getting his piecemeal packages passed. He will never learn that a piecemeal package will not fly. You just can't teach an old dog new tricks. Nancy Pelosi has said many times, no piecemeal packages. And she has proved many times that she will block them. But yet, this old geezer still wants to introduce piecemeal packages, skinny bills. He is so tight, when he dies, they're going to have to screw him in the ground. Y'all, I don't know if anything's going to happen today or not. We're going to just have to wait and see. We're getting good at waiting and seeing, aren't we? Y'all, if you didn't see my 10 o'clock show last night, please go back and watch it and let me know what you think about it and ask your questions over there, and I will answer as many of them as I can on the next 10 o'clock show. Over on that show, though, I'm not focusing too much on the stimulus questions. Just ask me anything else, though, and I will answer them. That show is more laid back than these are. These are focused only on the stimulus and COVID stuff. That show, we're talking about all kinds of stuff. And of course, we are talking about stimulus and COVID over there also. But it's more targeted to laid back, everyday stuff. Y'all, please check out my cookbook. It's in the description below. It's recipes passed down through my family over the years. Please check it out. You may like that book. Also, if you want a stun gun, pepper spray, or tactical knife, please get them now. Come closer to the holidays, I won't quit selling them so I can make sure I get all the holiday orders out in time. And I won't start selling them again until January the 1st. I just want to make sure everything gets out in time if it's for the holidays. Also, my course, Self-Publishing Mastery, is still going good. I have not had any complaints from anyone about it yet. And right now there's probably 35 people in it. So it's doing really good. Other people with a course like this would charge about $1,000, give or take a little bit. I would never charge that kind of price for a course. It's not online course to me is not worth $1,000. Just being honest with you. This is a short course. It's 6 modules long. It should take you about a week to finish it. If you're a real busy person or you're just slow at doing that kind of stuff, it won't take you no more than 2 weeks. And at the end of that 2 weeks, when you finish the course, you will have your own ebook if you do everything that the course tells you to do when it tells you to do it. And I will put your book on my website, and I get a lot of traffic to my website, and I sell a lot of books, so this will almost guarantee you some sales right off the bat. So you may even make your money back really fast. I can't guarantee that, but that's what I hope for you. So y'all be sure and check that out. Leave me your thumbs up. Watch the video that's popping up here now, and leave me your thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. And just know I love you all, and Jesus Christ will get us through this. I have 100% faith in Him. He can work miracles. He still works miracles today. I'm living proof of that. Y'all, I love you all. Ciao.